Thousands and thousands of people in their 50s and 60s have been doubling their money every 5.74 years using this one investment. They've been doing this every year on average for the last 12 years, but the catch is they had to have at least $25,000 to get started. In some years, their returns were significant. But what I found most interesting about the data is a huge part of their success came when the market actually declined. Let's head inside and I'll tell you all about it. So what do I mean by this? So much of their long-term success had to do with recovery time following a drop in the market. For example, with investing, the amount of loss matters. The larger the loss, the more time it takes to recover. To illustrate, if you lose 20% in an investment, it's going to take a 25% return to make up for it. The length of the down market matters. The longer the market is down, the longer it's going to take to recover. For example, if the market is down for 2 years in a row, let's just say, and then it takes another 2 years to get back up to that break-even point, that's basically 4 years of not making any gains. If you're in your 20s or 30s, this may not be significant. But this group of people, being in their 50s and 60s, became experts at reducing risk during down markets. Your investment horizon plays a big role in this too. If you need money in the near future, you may not have time to recover from a big loss. What I mean by this is if you're saving for retirement and you're 35, you might be able to afford to ride out the market. But for people nearing retirement, a decline in the market scares them about as much as a dog at a fireworks show. So how did they double their money every 5.74 years, and what kind of a return on investment did they make? Well, if we look at the rule of 72, for example, if you divide 72 by your return, it'll tell you how many years it's going to take to double your money. So in their case, the average annual return was 12.54%. If you take 72 and divide it by that 12.54, you get 5.74, which is the amount of time it took for them to double their money. The investment was one that performed well when the market did well, but it lost absolutely nothing when the market declined. This one component played a huge role in their success. The fee they paid was like 1% annually, and the vehicle was a fixed index annuity. If you're curious about how an annuity can help you sleep better at night when it comes to your retirement savings, then check out this video right here. If you like the idea of having more in retirement, please subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you can be alerted when we release more content. And until next time, may God bless you.